What's up guys, this is Ashwin. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install some winged carbon fiber mirror caps for the E82, E90 and E92 BMWs. Alright, so as you can see I already got this side finished up. And it turned out pretty good. I think the fitment was pretty good. And it actually really changed the look of the car, even though right now it's half wrapped and half unwrapped. Alright, so you're going to need some plastic trim tools to pry behind the mirror, and that's all you need to get started. So there's a clip right here, which you have to clip in first and turn in. And also what you have to realize is that there's a ridge running along here. And this little ridge right here has to go in there. The old one didn't have a ridge, but this one does. So you just gotta keep that in mind if it's not clipping in. Here's a final look of the mirror cap from this side. It changes the whole look of the car. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content. I have a lot of things like behind me that I still have to install, so I'm gonna make more videos with those. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks so much for watching.